Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Starburst Galaxy for Trino queries step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Starburst Galaxy. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Starburst Galaxy homepage. On the homepage, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Starburst account. Next, you will need to input your password. Carefully enter your password in the designated field. Once both fields are complete, look for the Sign In button. Click the Sign In button to submit your credentials. If you've entered the correct information, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can find various options for running Trino queries. To start a query, look for the SQL Workbench or similar option. Click on the SQL Workbench to open the query interface. You are now ready to execute your Trino queries. Remember to log out after you finish to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.